Hey guys, this is the Will Cody again, coming at you with another white noise. What happened to the sound? Oh yeah, that's right. We're gonna be playing on not Nightmare. Not wait for that yet. My last video I actually kind of epically failed five. So we're gonna go on easy because I'm a chicken. And then next level we will go to normal. Next level we will go to hard. Then we will go on to nightmare. So let's go to my favorite place of all, Bunko. Oh look at these all wonderful people I got. Well, I haven't got them yet, but I got these. Got these beautiful people. I'm gonna be this one because I actually like how fast he runs. And hopefully this video can go on for almost an hour. I'm gonna try, well actually no, extreme rules in my universe mode, that's gonna go for an hour. What a lag. Okay. And my friend actually suggested this game to me. Yes, Major Gaming. And today at school on Cole, he told me I should do a gameplay on this again. Well, as well, if you don't like this video, I am gonna, oh man, I'm gonna rage on you so hard. And we found the tape and his spawner. Always a good sign, right? Let's turn around. What I like about this game is, it's just like Slenderman. I mean, it's literally just like Slenderman, but they put it in its own touch. They actually added, oh, computer labs this way. Oh, okay. They actually added a spawner that if you look at Timmy, oh, I call him Timmy, as you not heard of in my last episode. I think this is about my third gameplay on this. There's a tape in here. Watch it. It's gonna be right here. Aww. Okay, we're like dead on it. Man, we're like super dead on it. Oh, it's not good. But it's... Ah ha ha! Second, ooh, kill him. We were right on it. And yes, I am playing on easy mode. I'm a chicken, I don't wanna have Timmy come already. And we're like, what, 3 minutes in? We will beat the game, we will beat it today. By the way, if I beat this game, I'm not gonna do any more Let's Plays on it. I beat the game, I'm done. Just kidding guys, I'm still gonna do Let's Plays on this. And tape there. Oh my god, man, we found 2 already. Let's tape it, we're gonna search down there too. First we're gonna head down there, then we're gonna head in there in the jail. Okay, actually, you know what? Hang on, guys. Give me like 2 seconds. That should be better. That should be better. That should be a whole lot better if we're watching the light. Yeah, it's a whole lot better. Well, that I'm looking at. No tape. No tape. Oh my god, it cheesed us again. It cheesed us again. Oh my. Oh, that was the tape and him screaming at us. I do not like this. I don't like this, not one bit. So I heard down somewhere down there. Oh my god, his spawner's in here. We're looking for that tapey. Haha. Go tape, let's go. No sound of Timmy. By now we would have saw him. We're not going over there, we're going to keep heading straight. Oh man, I hate that freeze when the screen like has that little glow into it or whatever it does. We're not going to head down there, we're going to head this way. He is downhill. Oh my god, no, I'm heading the way he is at. That I hear him. I swear if I see him, I'm done. I'm done if I see him around this corner. We only found 3, Timmy. I hear him whispering. He's... Oh my god, that's what I did last time. Okay, in my first video with the red around it, I'm sorry about that. What the? I'm sorry about that. That little red around it. Hopefully I fixed it this time. And if I haven't, please tell me in the comments below. Not comics, but comments. Oh! I didn't see him. I didn't see him. Oh, I was fixing to say something too, and then he pops up, man. That's not cool. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, kill him. Ooh, kill him. There has to be a tape here. There was not a tape here. I'm just gonna quit the game now. And if this is Mr. Booksaw watching my gameplay, hey Mr. Booksaw, how's it going? Favorite teacher of all. If you're in therapy right now, please tell me, because I would so be glad to come visit you. Because I'm probably gonna need therapy after this. Oh no, not the church bells. Oh no. Oh my god, I don't want to name this video Jump Scares, Timmy. Timmy! Oh my god, can you start with the church bells, man? I'm sorry guys, I know Timmy hasn't came yet, but look. Oh wait, is my light flickering? Yes it is. It's flickering on and off, what the? I'm not going to run until I see him. I'm just going to head the way I want to go. Ah! Oh, okay. We're going this way. We're going exactly this way. See right behind this still? Ah, he's still right behind this. Ah! Rape. Calling rape. I am calling rape. Okay, wherever that thing points, there's a sign or a tape. Oh, hey, in my first video, when I was playing by myself, we found a tape here. Hey. I'm not looking right behind me. I know he's right there right behind me. But where's the tape at? Where's the tape at? Oh my god, I can't believe I'm doing like 5 videos today. This is one of them. This is one of the 5. You see my first Let's Play. Oh man, the beating on my door. That's not cool. Who's ever doing that? Please don't beat on my door. That's not cool. Okay, clawing on my door. That's not cool either. Alright, someone's putting a prank on me. Someone's putting a prank on me. That's not cool, opening up my door. That's so not cool when I'm playing a horror game. That's so, okay, that's the dogs. That's so not cool, Lex.
French fries.
Oh, thank you. You just ruined my gameplay, but I mean, I'm probably scared. I'll probably pass the sign or a tape. What the? Okay, shut up, go. Alright, this. I know it's you, you're like right behind me.
Oh, I'm a scary sister.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Hey, Hagen.
Man up to anybody that gets scared of this crap. It's dumb. Get your French fries, Cody.
I'll get him in just a second. Well, guys, that's my glorious sister. And
Did you just say little sister?
No, I said glory.
I am bigger than you.
No, it's not. Oh my god, man. I'll probably pass the tape. She was distracting me. She ruined my gameplay too, but, you know, who cares? I'm gonna put sister pose a prank while I'm playing this. I don't know what. Alright, I know for sure there's a sign here. 2 places I thought there will be a sign. But no, I mean a tape, but no tape. Oh, my bad. Excuse me. Bob. You know, what is this tape in? I hear it. It's so close. What's the thing say? Ah! Can you back off, please? Can you literally back off? Can I find? You know what? Stay right there. You're in timeout. Ah! Ah! Okay, never mind. Never mind. Where's he at? Where's he at? Woo! Okay, Timmy, quit with the pranks, man. You know what? That's. Oh my gosh! 3 places! Have I been there? I feel like I have. Alright, I'm gonna go how long this video ever goes. I'm gonna keep recording until I die. I only found, I don't know how many, I guess 4.